Hey travelers! Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a long-haul adventure, having the right gear can make your trip so much easier. Today, we're sharing 10 genius travel accessories that will keep you organized, comfortable, and ready for anything. As always, links to all the products are in the description below. Let's get started. Olarhike packing cubes are a game changer for organized packing. These cubes help you compartmentalize your luggage, making it easy to find everything you need without digging through your entire suitcase. The BAGAIL compression. Packing cubes take it a step further by compressing your clothes, saving precious space in your luggage. Perfect for trips where you need to pack a little extra, they keep everything neat and compact. TESSAN's US to Europe. Plug adapter is a must for international travelers. With multiple ports and a compact design, it lets you charge all your devices efficiently, ensuring you stay connected no matter where you go. For long flights, the airplane foot hammock with memory foam is a lifesaver. It supports your legs, reduces fatigue, and makes even economy seats feel a little more comfortable. The Downy Wrinkle Release Travel Size Spray keeps your outfits looking fresh. Just a quick spritz on wrinkled clothes and they're ready to wear, no iron required. It's perfect for business trips or formal events. The EACHY Large Capacity Cosmetic Bag is your go-to for keeping cosmetics and toiletries organized. Its waterproof design and spacious compartments make it a travel essential for staying stylish on the go. Connect your Bluetooth headphones to airplane entertainment systems with the Avantree Relay Airplane Bluetooth adapter. Compact and easy to use, it's perfect for ditching those uncomfortable airline headphones. Neutrogena makeup remover wipes are individually wrapped for convenience, making them perfect for quick freshen-ups on the go. They're gentle yet effective, ensuring your skin stays clean and refreshed. The rechargeable wide-beam headlamp is a must-have for travelers who love outdoor adventures or simply need reliable lighting. It's lightweight, powerful, and perfect for exploring new places at night. Finally, stay fresh wherever you go with Listerine Cool Mint Pocketpaks breath strips. These tiny strips dissolve instantly, leaving your breath minty fresh, ideal for flights, meetings, or anytime you're on the move. And there you have it! 10 genius travel accessories to simplify your adventures. Let us know in the comments which one you're excited to try. And don't forget to check out the links in the description to shop these amazing finds. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!